Today we're looking at part number K21-304-00. This is your Fortress aluminum oil cap that fits the Rockwell American Alco Hayes axles from 10,000 pound up to 16,000 pound. This guy has a inner diameter of 3.14 and an outer diameter of 3.65, and the height is 2.96. So it has to be taller to accommodate that castle nut that Rockwell and Alco and Hayes uses. That's why it sticks out much further. Now Dexter says it's a 3.75 diameter. I'm not sure where they're measuring it from, but anyways, I know this fits on the Rockwell American Alco and Hayes axles, and I'll show you real quick. So we're going to look at this 10,000 pound heavy duty Rockwell American hub and drum, and we'll just show you how easily it goes on. Just screw that baby on, and bada bing, bada boom. So if it will work on the Rockwell American, that means it'll also work on the Alco and Hayes. So that's a 10K heavy duty. So we'll just go over here real quick to the Rockwell American 12,000 pound hub and drum to also show you that it works. This is the Rockwell 12K hub and drum. We're just going to slide this baby right on. Fits like a glove. Yep, perfect. You can get these at TrailerPartsUnlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687, or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas. Thanks for watching.